Hi, welcome to Padai Planet, and in this video we've got another question from probability, right? The question says that there is a die which is thrown once and the probability of getting one. The first one is a prime number, right? So we are first going to talk about the prime number. Now this die is, it has got numbers from 1 to 6 because all dice are having numbers from 1 to 6, so it's like 1 2 3 sorry yeah 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. These are the six numbers which are there on the die, and the possibility is that any one of them could come on top. So the first one says that a number which is prime number, right? So first let's identify which are the prime numbers from this situation, and those are 1 2, then we've got 3, and we've also got 5. So these are the total 4 numbers which are there, which are the prime numbers. These are 4 numbers, right? So the possibility of a prime number is equal to 4 divided by the total possible outcomes, and the total possible outcomes is 6, right? Because there are 6 different outcomes which could be possible, and any one of them can come up. So 4 divided by 6, so the answer is 2/3, right? Now let's quickly look at the second one, that is a number lying between 2 and 6. So the second question is probability of the number which is greater than 2, but that is always less than 6, right? So how many such numbers are there? 3, 4 and 5. We will not consider 6 in this because they are simply saying a number lying between 2 and 6. So neither will we consider 2 nor will we consider 6. We'll consider only 3, 4 and 5. So there are 3 such possible situations. 3, 4, 5, these are the only 3 numbers which satisfy this particular condition, and this whole thing will get divided with the total number of outcomes, and that is 6. So the answer is going to be 1/2, right? And the third question is the probability of the odd number, right? They're asking about the odd number. So the odd number is in this 1 3 5. So there are 3 such options wherein we can have the odd numbers. So odd number is 3 divided, again that's going to be the 6 because it's always the total number of possible outcomes. So that is 1/2. So this is how we have solved this question. Question was very simple. Only thing is we need to be very clear the way the language of the questions is put up, and identify the total number of possible events or possible outcomes in that event. Like in the first one, in the case of prime numbers, there are 4 such outcomes which satisfy this the condition of the prime numbers outcome, that the outcome being the prime numbers. In the second situation, there are 3 such situations wherein 3 such outcomes wherein the condition of this given condition is getting satisfied. So we took 3, right? And in the third one also there is the possibility of the outcomes which satisfy this particular condition is 3. So this is how we put up these numbers, and finally these are the answers which we have got for this question. So I hope you could understand all of it and liked it. Keep sharing, keep watching, keep commenting. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and bye bye.